Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe, trying to stay at home as much as they can. So guys, I do have some spoilers to show you, and it's for the BoxyCharm May pop-up. There's also a mystery box I have a code for, and everything else, y'all. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were the YouTube channels I have my notifications set for. Thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, good afternoon, Mandy. Hope you had a great birthday. Jenny, thank you so much, honey. I'm so glad that some of y'all remembered. Y'all are so sweet to send me happy birthday wishes and everything, and I really appreciate that, honey. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate you stopping by to watch the video, honey. Thank you. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So, again, I have some spoilers to show you for the May BoxyCharm pop-up. Now, you know what this is. You can get anything from makeup, skincare, lifestyle stuff, anything, they have it. And everything is up to 80% off, so you're getting these things at a deal. Now, you know, early access for this starts Monday, May 11th. Now, that's for premium and active Luxe members and also the waitlisters. And then it is open to all charmers on the 12th. So make sure you mark that down in your calendar. And there's also a $6 coupon that you can get in the email to shop this pop-up, and it ends May 31st. So if you use the code SAVE6POP, you're going to get that $6 coupon, and also, guys, a mystery box. Now, this is valued at $180, and it is only 25 bucks. You know you're going to get 5 full-sized items in there, plus that coupon. So make sure you use the code SAVE6POP if you want to take advantage of that. That is $6 off of anything I'm about to tell y'all. Now, y'all, again, these are just some of the spoilers. This ain't even half of what they got, but it gives us a peek inside of what's for BoxyPopUp in May. So now here are the pictures. So first thing I seen in this was the casery. I think that's how you say that, the silicone cover with clip, and this is for Apple AirPods. And then, of course, that magnificent Becky Cosmetics, that little kit right there. It is called your Glow to Glow Primer, Highlighter, and Lip Kit. Next up is the Clean Skin Club Hydrating Hand Sanitizer. And then there's some kind of lavender oil right there. Now, I don't know if that's the brand lavender oil or, you know, I don't know. I can't see it. I tried to blow it up, y'all. And then, of course, we see that little Capari lip gloss right there. And then those palettes, you know, they're sticking out, y'all. So that one is the Violet Voss Best Life 2 eyeshadow palette, as well as the Hank & Henry Fuego eyeshadow palette. And then we see the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. Now, that is in the shade chiffon or like pink. And then you see that Touch and Soul No Problem Kit. Now that is a primer and priming eraser set. And then we see the SelfTaught Beauty Catnap Under Eye Brightener. Ooh, guys. And then I see the Becky Cosmetics. Now this is one of the ombre palettes. It kind of looks like the nudes. It might be another one though. And then next is the Capari. This is a lip gloss. And then last but certainly not least is this. It's a cosmetics spray. I think this is the CPR, the Skin Recovery Serum. Again, guys, these are not all the spoilers. There's going to be tons and tons and tons of more stuff. This is looking like a good pop-up, so I cannot wait to see what you guys get. If you're planning to get any of these items, let me know down in the comment section. And they're also doing some kind of an event giveaway where you post a before and after picture, and then you hashtag BoxyCharm in session win. You could win a bundle of products worth $1,000, y'all. So make sure you go check that out. Now I did see that one on Instagram at BoxyCharm News. you. So go check that out and see what that giveaway is about, y'all. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more information, I'll let you guys know. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Sarah Justice. Sarah says, so love you, Mandy. Well, Sarah, honey, I so love you as well, honey. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe and happy and all of that good stuff. And I really appreciate you stopping by to watch the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube steals my subscribers. But if you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all are going to have one option. So you can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers, guys. And I'll also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.